Hey Tab girl, you're seeing this. So let me show you how each product looks. I have this bonnet on because show y'all what it do to my hair. Because be for real. And my hair is naturally curly, but after I stretch it so many days, and I was washing my face, girl. And after I stretch it after so many days, it begins to look like a stray cat. So let's go in with the shampoo first. But let me show you, girl. Here's a drip. You see how it ain't moving? When she said extra thick, she was for real. We're just gonna let her sit. And now we have the extra creamy conditioner, which low-key, I think this conditioner thicker than this one. Maybe a slight color variation. Girl, but it just smells so good. Like, even if my hair dirty and crusty, you walk by, you're like, oh my gosh, your hair. Girl, it's about 20 days old, but it's still gonna smell good. Let's continue. This is a spray bottle, of course. I've been a fiend for Mr. Bottles, okay? Okay, wait. I don't know what's going on. You see how these still ain't move? Oh, it was moving a little bit. Oh, I made a heart. Let's just pull a focus point. Just a little bitty piece right here. Because that piece be acting crazy, as you can tell. Don't mind my little cowlick. So this is the leave-in conditioner. And let's compare. It might be a little less ugly than other ones. Is it moving? My hair don't move. Okay. But look, so this is the color. So this is a little whiter than the other ones. So let me show you. So this is the product. Like, this is the consistency of the leave-in. We're going to put it on here. I don't even know if I put enough, but that's okay because I be heavy-handed, girl. But it always give it like a cute little shine. Don't mind that bump. It always give it a cute little shine. You see what I mean? Like, look, that quick, right? So then that's from the leave-in. And now the extra creamy hair cream. Oh, we just about out. Oh, you can't even see. Ain't that cute? We just about out. But I like her too. I do this with my twist outs. It's so thick. Like, it ain't going nowhere. And in comparison, we're gonna just put her there. She's not gonna move at all. All right, let's do a new part so I can show you what the curling cream does. So there's that. And then this is the curling cream. The hydration is superior. I don't know why I have long pieces of my hair like that, because this is the stretch. I never had a perm or nothing, so I don't know what's happening. But my hair be a little bipolar, and that's okay. So you see how that, like, just look at the texture change, right? Like, it just really coats it with something that this is bothering me. Something that it has in it, right? So those are some of the textures. Now, we have the oil. It's literally just like if you have coconut oil, it's smoother though. But if you have coconut oil and your coconut oil get cold and it like freeze or whatever, this is exactly the texture, okay? It does kind of feel like coconut oil consistency. It has some type of something in there. It's giving Mary Kay. Like, you know, you smooth it in. Yeah, and what I usually do is I like coat my hair. I don't put too much oil all like throughout my hair because my hair get weighed down and I already get bumps. Like, I had this bump because my hair is filthy. But yeah, girl, these are the products and the preview. So I'm about to wash my hair, girl. I know I need to wash it. So I hope this helped.